Variation problems. There's generally two types, and we need to know how to handle each of them. If you're given that x varies, let's do directly what was I thinking first, varies directly with y. Well, what you need to know is what that is. All it is for us is equal to k times. Whenever you see varies directly with, you think equals k times. X varies directly with, that means equals k times y. Okay, so equal k times, that's what varies directly with means. If you had x squared varies directly with the square root of y, well then you would write down x squared varies directly with means equals k times, and then you would write down the square root of y. So varies directly with means, that symbol means, it means equal k times. Now, what does x varies inversely means? X varies inversely with y. Well, x means x, and varies inversely means equals k over y. Varies directly means equals k over. Varies inversely with means equals k over. Varies inversely with means equals k over. And if you have that down nicely, these problems are pretty straightforward. Let us do a couple of problems, and of course we'll use these two formulas. Okay. Varies directly with means equals k times, and varies inversely with means equals k divided by, not k times. Okay, so now we can do problems involving inversely and directly. X varies directly with y. When x equals 10, y equals 2, find x when y equals 20. So generally, you'll be giving three pieces of information like that. The first one, x varies directly with. X means x, varies directly with means equals k times, and of course y means y. X equals ky. For statement 2, says whenever I see x I can write 10, and wherever I see y I write 2. Okay, so x is equal to k times 2. Now you all know that 5 times 2 equals 10. So k is 5. Okay, so now we can update that new equation, that first equation. X is equal to k times y. K is 5. Okay, now they say find x when y is 20. So that's how I write y. X is equal to 5 times y. 5 times 20 is 100. So I found x when y was 20. Let's do one more problem. One involving varies inversely with. X varies inversely with y squared. When x is 2, y is 4. Find x when y equals 3. So, the first one, x is x. Varies inversely with means equals k over. And y squared is what k is over. Okay, now they tell me for x write 2, for y write 4. Okay, so x, sorry, that's not 2. X, so we're going to find k. X is equal to k over y. And 4 squared is 16. 16 times 2, 32, is equal to that number, is equal to k. So now we know k. I can update this. X is equal to 32 over y squared. Find x when y is 3. Okay, x is equal to 32 over y squared. X is 32 over 9. This cannot be reduced. You can write it as a mixed number, but it can't be reduced.